I cleaned out my closet and I'm letting go of these tops I don't wear anymore, plus these Levi jeans and these camo pants. Everything here was thrifted, and this cute jacket was missing a little buckle, which I thought I would have a chance to sew one on, but I never did, so out it goes. I like that I never had to wear a bra under this top, but I'm not really the ruffly type, and I never felt good in it. I don't really like wild patterns, so I don't know why I bought this top and the next one, because I dress pretty conservatively and I do prefer solid colors, but I'm guessing that they were on sale and I couldn't resist the price, so I thought, what the heck, even if I only wear it a few times, which is actually what happened. And the pattern on this cardigan always made me feel like it had a disease. Love these camel pants, but they were always just a little bit too tight. But I'm replacing them with these really comfortable ones that only cost $2. So that was the result of my little closet cleanup today. And now I'm going to pack everything up and get it out of here as soon as possible before I change my mind. The one thing I may reconsider are those skinny Levi jeans that fit really well as long as I keep my weight down. Anyway guys, hope you all have a great day. Take care. Bye.